Hey, what's up everyone? JP here with Crypto Hobby. Just wanted to make another quick video here on Cardano. It's January 7th, 2018, and the price is about $1 per coin. So if we go over here to CoinMarketCap, you can scroll down here and see Cardano is at $1.01. So it's down a little, and I've been thinking about this one for a long time. I think it's a very strong project. If you want to know what Cardano is, it supposedly offers a deeper functionality, quicker, more efficiently, and cheap like Litecoin, but has the stored value of Bitcoin. So I believe it's solid. And here's the website, and you can go there and check that out if you want. All the white paper is there, all the resources, anything you need to know about Cardano is there. But it's a solid project, so I'm going to walk you through the process. We're going to buy it on Coinbase today. And so we'll just start here. Let's see, we're gonna sign in. And we're going to do the two-factor authentication, which you should have on all of your platforms that offer it, because it's the safest way. So type our code in. Okay, we're in Coinbase, and then if you've seen my other videos, you know that I always use GDAX to do my transfers in and out of there. So let's see, so we're not in yet. Sign in. If you sign into GDAX while you're already signed into Coinbase, you don't have to put in your login information, because since it's owned by Coinbase, it knows that you're logged into Coinbase, so it'll just log you in automatically. So now I'm logged in here too, and so that's good. And if we look on CoinMarketCap here, if you go down to Cardano, click on it, it shows you the details, the explanations. This is the website right here, the total market cap, the total circulating supply, max supply, and the circulating supply right here. Alright, so if you click on markets right here, it will show you where you can buy Cardano, where it's offered. Bittrex has it if you use Bitcoin. Binance has it with Bitcoin. Binance also has it with Ethereum. Usually the prices to use Ethereum is much cheaper than Bitcoin, is what I've found, so I usually choose that. And then there's some other ones down here, but Binance is good. Binance is my favorite of all of the exchanges, so we'll definitely be using that. So we can just go ahead and sign into Binance right now. I'll leave links to all these sites below for you so you can get them. Alright, and it wants you to do the little puzzle thing here as the authenticator, so you just try to drop it in there as best you can. And I guess we did that okay. So it'll log into, not once, go Google Authenticator, which I also have on there. 289-204. Alright, success. So we're in Binance. We're ready to go. So go back here to Coinbase, and if you go to buy, sell, come down here, pick your payment method. So I said I was going to use Ethereum, so we got to click on that first. So Ethereum, buy, sell, go here, and we're going to choose not the checking. I'm going to choose that one. Has a limit of $205 on it, so that's fine. Just going to buy a couple $100 today worth of stuff. Probably won't be that much by the time it gets over there, but that's okay. So, wait a minute. The wrong one. Use that. This one. There we go. Alright, so max buy, $205 is that, and you can buy instantly, so we click on this and confirm it. and we have it. So we have Ethereum now in our Coinbase account. Look on your accounts if you want. Go down here and look at it. Ethereum wallet, there it is, 196. So it's 205. So they took about $9 out of there for fees. Okay, and so we have that in our account. We'll go over here to GDAX. We're going to be dealing with Ethereum here. Usually this defaults to Bitcoin/USD. So you would just go on here and change it back to Ethereum to USD. Okay, once we're on GDAX, if you go to deposit, you want to click from your Coinbase account, because this is owned by Coinbase, so it already knows that you have. You can choose from your different wallets here, but so Ethereum, it knows I have that in here, so I want to deposit the entire amount, 0.1786 4068 1786 4068, and hit deposit funds. And there's no charge for that. That's just automatically deposited into your GDAX account. From here we can transfer it out. Pretty minimal fees. So we'll do that to Binance next. Alright, come over here to Binance, and this is where it'll come when you log in. It goes there. If you go to funds, go to deposit withdrawals, it'll take you to that page. I usually click this hide small assets button, just have it checked. I don't have much in Binance, just some Ripple right now. Okay, so for now we're going to have to uncheck that box though, so it'll show all the different options here. And Ethereum is here. This is what we want to transfer. We're not going to transfer from GDAX to Binance straight into Cardano, because you can't do that. Since you have Ethereum in GDAX, you have to transfer the Ethereum over to Binance into Ethereum, and then we'll buy Cardano once it's on here. So we're going to do a deposit there. Okay, so it gave us the little address, so we're going to copy that address, and I usually check the first and last three numbers, OXC and F4D it looks like. So we go back over to GDAX. We're going to do a withdrawal. We're going to send it to an Ethereum address. We're going to do the max amount, which is here. Click on that little max, it'll fill it out for you. Here we're going to paste the address in of the Binance account, Ethereum account. Alright, so we're all set, and we're going to put our two-factor Google Authenticator code in there again. 9941. That's for Binance. Oh wait, sorry. My bad. That's for Coinbase. Hold on. Alright, so let me back this up. Put our Coinbase number in. There we go. And withdraw funds. That's going to send it over to Binance. And so there's the withdrawal. So we're good. Come back over here, and this is done. So now we have to wait for it to reach Binance. It's going to be transferred out of GDAX into Binance. So I'll pause the video for a moment while we wait for that to come. You can come back over here to Coinbase if you want to check to make sure it got sent. Dashboard will show it, so you just go down and look. Here's sent Ethereum is pending. If you click on it, shows you the information. Confirmation's 0 so far, so it's going to need several confirmations, I guess, before it'll go. So we'll wait for that to get there. You can always go back over to the Binance Exchange and go up to funds, down to history, and it'll show you as soon as something is transferred in there. Or you can actually just go to back to where we were and click on that again, hide small assets after your page loads. and it'll show what you have. So I have Ripple. So when the Ethereum gets here, it'll pop up on this page also. Alright, so if we go over back here to Coinbase and pull up our thing now, it says 11 confirmations, so we're probably good. Refresh this page. Should pop up on here. Alright, so it'll pop up. Now it's been completed. It's another thing about Ethereum is it usually goes faster than Bitcoin, I've found. So, alright, so now we have our Ethereum here. The entire amount is on Binance. And so now we can exchange it for Cardano. So just go over to the basic exchange. Alright, and that's what it looks like there. Okay, and so on the exchange, just come over here. You want to make sure that your Ethereum is clicked on, which it is here. ADA is the symbol for Cardano, so click on that. And that loads our ADA in there. Alright, if you come down here a little bit, you'll see buy ADA. There's the price. There's how much Ethereum you have in your wallet and the Binance account. And so we're gonna alright, so if we click in the amount space here, it opens up by the max amount, gives it to you in dollars. So we sent $196 over and 193 of it made it. So they only took out $3 for fees in Ethereum. That's not bad. So we definitely want the max. Oops, we want the max amount. We can just do 100%. That'll wipe out our Ethereum. 193. Alright, and click on buy. Success. Okay, make sure it didn't put an open order in here. It should be okay. Alright, so that's complete. And just come back up here to funds and deposit withdrawals. It'll take you back to your accounts here. And so there is our Cardano. We bought 190, almost 193 of them. And our Ripple. And a little note here, network busy, withdrawal suspend. I don't really care about that. I'm not buying this to trade. I am buying these to hold. Everything I buy pretty much is to hold, so I'm not doing any day trading or anything like that. I believe that these things are going to go up, and it's going to be a very good investment. Cardano's solid. So anyway, that's the procedure to go from start to finish here. And then from here, of course, you can always put it into your wallet, your Nano Ledger, or your Trezor, or whichever wallet you prefer, if you like. If they support that, I don't know. I'm not really sure if they support those or not, but or you can just leave it on here for now, is what I'm going to do. And I really appreciate you watching the video. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, it's a fairly new channel. I'm going to be doing regular videos, instructional, showing you how to do these kinds of things, and possibly start talking about a little bit more. I have several videos on there now, but you can subscribe and like if you like, and I appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day.